Welcome to another CAAN tip, where we deliver fencing tips in under 120 seconds. Today, we're tackling an important topic: how to handle and prevent fence warping. Let's keep your fence looking great for years to come. First, let's understand what fence warping is. It occurs when moisture, temperature changes, or poor installation cause wood or composite materials to bend or twist. This not only affects aesthetics, but can also compromise your fence's integrity. To prevent warping, start with high-quality materials. Choose treated lumber or composite materials designed to withstand weather changes. These materials are less prone to moisture absorption, helping your fence stay straight and strong. Next, ensure proper installation. Use concrete to set your fence posts firmly in the ground, allowing them to dry completely. Make sure your fence panels are level and spaced correctly to reduce stress on the wood. Regular maintenance is key. Clean your fence at least once a year to remove dirt and debris. Apply a sealant or stain to protect against moisture and UV damage. This not only enhances the fence's lifespan but also prevents warping. If you notice warping, address it quickly. You can often straighten bent boards by applying heat with a heat gun and gently pulling them back into shape. If the damage is severe, consider replacing the warped sections to maintain your fence's integrity. By following these simple tips, you can ensure your fence remains a beautiful and sturdy addition to your property for years to come. To recap, prevent fence warping by choosing quality materials, installing properly, performing regular maintenance, and addressing issues promptly. A little care goes a long way. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more CAAN tips. Check out our playlist for more. Should you require professional help, you can contact us on this number or on our website. See you next time.